Hello, and welcome to another Super Dispatch support video. Today, we're going to be walking you through how to sign up for Carrier TMS. When you're ready, the first thing you're going to want to do is go to superdispatch.com. Once there, you're just going to click on I'm a Carrier. Once you've clicked that, you're going to be greeted with a page that says the smart way to haul cars. On this page, you're going to get a lot of information that will let you know if Carrier TMS is the right fit for you. There will also be some external links that will provide you more documentation to let you know exactly what Carrier TMS can do. If you feel like we're the right fit for you, the next thing you're going to want to do is click on Get Started Free. Before we move on to the next section, here are some things that you will need. You're going to need your first name and last name, a good email address for your company, a phone number, and a strong password. Note, the password must have at least 8 characters, upper and lowercase letters, a number, and a special character. On the next page, you're going to need your role in the company, how many drivers you manage, how you heard about us, and then on the last page, you're just going to need your USDOT number. If you do not have a USDOT number, you will need to contact support at suport@superdispatch.com or call us at 1-816-974-7002. Now let's go ahead and move on to the next section. As we mentioned before, on the first page, you're going to need your company name, first and last name, email, phone number, a strong password, and then you'll need to click I agree to receive SMS and email messages from Super Dispatch, such as the latest offers and deals. Once you're ready, click Continue. On the next page, you'll just need to select your role in the company. For this example, we selected Fleet Manager. Then how many drivers does your company manage? And for this example, we selected 1. And then just how did you hear about us? And then once you're ready, click Continue. On the next page, you're just going to want to enter your USDOT number. Once you've got it entered, just click Verify. Once we've verified your USDOT number, you'll see a box that says, Great, we will create your account using the information below. Just verify that your name is correct there, and if everything looks correct, click Continue. Once you've clicked Continue, you'll be greeted with your new homepage. And that's it. You have now successfully signed up for our Carrier TMS account. If you have any additional questions, you can always reach out to the support team at support@superdispatch.com. Again, thank you so much for watching our video, and we hope you have a wonderful rest of your day.